And today, this is what I'm going to focus on. Getting this patch cleaned up. And weld it in, and then I'll work on the other piece that's going to cover over here. See what I can do. Yeah, dude.
Can I film a video on
Your what?
my Minecraft?
Yeah, man. Go for it. All right.
Daddy,
Yep.
can you help me?
What do you need help with?
Getting the TV. I don't need help getting the TV ready. but
Just
I
getting
need-
onto the
Yeah.
streaming?
Yeah.
All right, man. Give me 5 minutes. Go turn the PlayStation on,
Okay.
get your game ready, and then I'll come help. All right. Oops. Okay, just gonna drop it back. Oh. There. Oh, turn the wire speed down. Huh? Oh no, am I out? Shit! So, note to all you fabricators out there, if you're about to do some welding, as in welding some metal in, make sure you have enough supplies. Because I'm an idiot and I ran out of welding wire, so basically I'm stuck till I can get some more. I guess it changes the pace a little bit. I guess I'll move over to the floor, see if I can cut some of the rod out and go from there. I'm going to take the wheel off, the right rear wheel off, and then I'll have a little bit of better access to the inner fender. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is all here is actually fairly decent. Needs to be coated and shit, but whatever. So I gotta cut out a little bit of that rot and then build some new pieces and just kind of tack them in and go from there. I guess we'll set everything up and let's get going. Basically, I'm going to cut that out and see where we're at. Gloves are always a good idea too. So I had initially made a template for this corner here, but when I started cutting it all out, I realized that the rot was a little bit worse than I anticipated. So that's scrap, and what I'll do is I'll cut a new template. What's up, buddy?
I'm making the second floor on our house.
Cool. Nice job. Are you still alive?
Yep.
Cool. Well, I can watch it later. Great it is. So I made the template just slightly oversized. It's not a perfect cut, but once I snip all this out and I can grind it down to the exact size that I need, and then make it fit beautifully. Obviously I can grind it, shape it, I'll have to bend it a little bit just so it fits the floor nicely. And then once I clean everything up, I'll focus on the opposite side there, this side right here. And then, yeah, that'll be part of my, I don't know, the next video maybe.